Sophie, breakfast is ready.
I cannot speak. My voice is completely gone.
Don't try to force it. Your voice is resting right now.
Look at Sophie. She wanted to join the English contest. How can a silent girl win a speech prize? It is impossible! Hey, Sophie. Don't listen to them. You don't need your voice to tell a beautiful story. Use this notebook. Write down your feelings. We will help you practice for the big contest every single day. My words are not dead. They are alive right here on this paper. I will show everyone.
Is Sophie. She will share her English story today.
But isn't this the girl who lost her voice? How will she perform?
Just standing there, she can't even say a word. An empty whiteboard? What is her plan?
Go ahead, Sophie.
Show them your magic. True bravery is not about a loud voice. It is about a strong heart. My friends saved me in the dark, and love gave me hope.
But her English storytelling was the most moving piece today. Ladies and gentlemen, first prize goes to Sophie!
Hello, friends. Sometimes life takes away something important, but your inner strength can shock everyone. Never give up on your goals.
If you want to learn English step by step with our stories, please subscribe to Sip by Sip English.
Turn on the notifications and never miss an adventure.
See you next time!